Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so today I'm about to be running out to Santa Rosa. If you guys remember, we had a little hold up on the 350Z. That's why the 350Z didn't get done. I was literally waiting on the pilot bearing, and bam, here it is. This is a new pilot bearing for it, and this was basically the whole hold up. The other one got stuck in the crank, so had to get this one. But what I'm gonna do, let me pull this out real quick. So as you can see with the pilot bearing, the last one got stuck inside my old crank. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this piece, but we're going to be taking out this needle bearing. This needle bearing is more of a race application. What happens is this thing basically welds itself inside the crank and you can't get it out. So I'm going to be replacing this needle bearing with the OEM bearing. That way it doesn't get stuck. Before I go out there, I definitely need to clean the car. The car is super filthy from the Reading trip. Like, there's a huge layer of dirt on here. So before I do anything, I need to go get this thing cleaned up, and then I'm gonna head to Santa Rosa. So just getting here to my man's. Y'all already know what it is. Been having him wash my car for I don't know how long now. So yeah, since the Reading trip, everything got hella dusty, interior dusty, so I'm gonna have him do the inside outside. Granted, the color of the car actually hides dirt hella good, but just to emphasize on it, so look at this. See how you can't see that? But look at the side skirt. That's how much dust is on this car right now. But the color does real good at just hiding dirt, but it is dirty. I can see that shit. Since I got this GoPro, I haven't done anything cinematic, so let me switch this over to some cinematic stuff and see how the cinematic looks. Let's try this real quick.
Flipping through SoundCloud, but none of these beats fill me. I hit up the pal now. I'm starting to get the feelings of needing to shout loud. My heart is the bullets beating. I'm hitting the clouds. Wow, I'm high as my ceiling. But I don't know where to go with the flow. I'm hoping dopamine. No, I'm overflowing with thoughts in the moment. Stuck in the zone where I'm feeling like I just might steal a bike. Fucking just peel a thigh. I don't know if it's real or lies. This life that we live and die. Trust me, I won't be surprised if we are trapped in the mind of the power so divine. He could just sneeze and we die. Only if it could be a dream. Only thing that it can mean is that we all are the keys. Is that we all are the keys. Open your eyes and you'll see. Right till the mirror is please. Give God the glory, repeat. Only mission is to spit until I'm rich and listen to my shit inside the bins with friends and bitches. Getting wish a bitch that diss me then. Send the text, they miss me then. I'm fixing them. A freaking blend of sick and pain and kicking them and shit. They bend like six. You can just flicking and just snapping. Half like Batman's back. Oh, that is magic. Mad on tracks. How this paper out the facts. Every done you have to ask. Is it a dream and I'm starting to scheme? It's hard to believe it. I'm leaving you kicking and screaming like spitting out demons from being a witness to me. Listen to the beat with the heat that's so crispy and mean. I'm getting those pens at the freaking degree. You need to get up and leave it and find you a key. And I'll set up a seat so you listen to me as I breeze on these beats with the freeze of the crease of the meats. And they can't hear you screaming. You gasping out, please. I need a second to breathe. I don't want the beat to get too beat. Feeling like I'm on the killing spree. Why do I care about being mean? I'm just me, I'm just me. Life is a beast that you meet. Downtown she's ready to leave. Hanging and gripping your sleeve. Bang that bitch on and repeat. Never gonna face defeat. Never my speech say you will be. Never my speech say you will be. These thoughts that I think got me feeling God on beats. I'm so hot the missing link. Lord wait, don't take me now please. I got more time than I think. Nothing that I want is free. Being pushed up to the brink. Maybe that was all I needed. See it like a fucking fleeting. Best station I'm breathing. Rush man y'all can keep it. Grinding while you sleeping. Rhyming like I'm breathing. Ain't the fucking weak shit. Greatness man I need it. See it. Something inside of me. The anger and pride of me. Making me honestly feel like I got a king. Making me feel like I gotta be hotter than all of the people that got up. And maybe I'll take a Klonopin for relaxing and body them looking at rapping, opinion and nobody's seeing them till he's been tied to the ceiling inside the lobby where bitches are screaming and crying. The faces they make up me dying while playing. I'm tired that make up the flow and the fucking forces in denial. And this shit is easy. I'm practically talking and listen to me. The attention I'm hogging is spitting with speed that you can't even process. And body and beats like I'm stopping on lead. Body and beats like I'm wheezy with bottles of lean. And I'm out to front with a cop on his 3 o'clock causing the scene. Body and beats in the heat that will seep to the speakers. It's hotter than me and Miyagi while eating wasabi. I'm reading the copies of sequels to Jennifer's body with Megan Fox and Margot Robbie. With thoughts about plotting the robbery. Smoking the pot in the lobby of other hotels that were robbing. Moments before the atomic bombings. Is it the city of Nagasaki? Just me when I speak they gotta copy. I am not stopping till I get an Audi. I am not loving, I'm catching the body. I got the plot to effects, we got hobby. You're smoking a lot with the flow from nodding. If you ever saw me while spitting and coughing, you call the cops until all of your posse to turn and start walking and fake at the property. Think that you're rocky, but we get the rockin'. I'm knocking you down like my name is Apollo Creed. I'm just a pile of greed. I'm fucking wild from 3. I'm gonna stop your shit.
What's up, fool?
What's going on, dude?
What's going on?
So this is the old crank right here, and you can see this like stupid stuck in there, just not coming out. So this time around, we got the copper setup to go in there, and this is the new one. So what we need to press out is the needle bearing right here. Get that out, and then get the copper one in there.
Braking system for Pro-Am. This usually controls all the brakes, but you have to have 2 separate channels in case one of them fails. You have a backup.
Oh, it's part of the rule book?
Yeah, it's part of the rule book now. So is that a little 550 horsepower JZ?
550, it's not bad. It's enough to have fun. So just got everything over here to Brett's. There's the heads, the intake, and the cam setup.
Put me on YouTube, man.
Why you scary, man? About to make you famous, or man, what is this? This the next car you building that I'm about to gap, or what?
I already built it. I'm just putting bigger cams in it and just make it a little bit.
All right, so a few hours have passed, and right now I'm about to go head over to my boy Jeff's, and I'm about to be picking up the GSXR 750. It's been so long since I rode this bike. I'm not even dressed down to be riding the bike. I'm probably gonna get flamed because I don't have no gear on. I got sweats, I got regular shoes, but Jeff don't stay that far from me. But I am on the way to go pick up the bike right now. So for those people that have been asking for bike content, here y'all go. We finally about to be getting the bike back. It's been a long way, so hopefully, Lex, if you watching this, nigga, I'm ready to ride. Aaron, if you watching this, nigga, I'm ready to ride. Black Aaron, if you watching this, we need to get your bike together so, nigga, we can ride. What's up, Black?
Oh shit.
Where your brother at?
He's at a customer's house right now fixing somebody's RX-8.
Been a minute. Been a minute. Ugh. So I broke the mirrors off. I don't know how, I forgot how I did this one, but this one, I forgot how I did this one too. I don't remember how, actually I don't remember how I did either one of them, but I did break them off, so I had to order new mirrors for this thing. I know people will be like, just cap it, you don't need a mirror anyway. Just getting back home. Felt stupid good riding this thing again. Man, it's been so long since I rode this bike. I actually forgot how fun it was. Hair blowing in the wind. Well, not my hair blowing in the wind because I have the helmet on, but shirt blowing in the wind. This thing is fun. Like, I forgot like how fun this thing is. Maybe tomorrow I'll probably just gotta go ride this thing all day tomorrow or something, but I definitely gotta get on here. But I'm about to go in here. I'm probably about to go work out because I've started my diet back today because I got fluffy and the gyms ain't opening no time soon, so I gotta get back on my shit. I'm about to head somewhere, figure out some stairs or something to do some cardio. That way hopefully I can get rid of this inner tube I got around my belly, because yeah, I ain't trying to look like this for next summer or the rest of this summer. So for those people that enjoyed the bike content, here you go. Bike's about to be back on the channel. Took forever, but I do have a new set of keys now, so we're all good. Let's wrap this up until next time, or till tomorrow.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma